You know, I'm very disturbed at how excited you are. One of the highlights of the Champs Experience is the school spirit of the athletes, right? Over the years, girls from schools like Homewood Tech and Edwin Allen have shown their support with very intricate and very unique and very hype hairstyles. So this morning, Taz and I are being challenged to create a Champs-inspired hairstyle on Oloysius and Ariana, a.k.a. Alicia, because her name is not Oloysius.
So are you ready?
Wait, now, I want to know why you're so excited. Also, Shauna left nothing on the pharmacy. Whichever pharmacy you go to, bait off of Shauna yesterday.
Look here, big up to the edge country. I have to make sure the edge is laid and slayed. I'm ready.
Taz has already asked for the edge control after the feature is done.
I am ready.
All right, so you have any ideas or any inspo you want to give me? Welcome to the salon. Wait, no, man. What you want? What would you like to be
darling,
doing?
don't worry yourself. I got you.
Yes.
Right now,
But
I feel like we should do it.
That exciting enough? Put your ear. Why don't you take it out and put your ear into two?
Hold on,
Okay. Yeah, take it out. Wait, no, man. Hey.
The challenge start? The challenge start?
Wait, we're prepping.
What do you mean? What you need to prep? Your prep don't have nothing to do with my client.
Now come over here, salon. You're too out of that.
Don't have nothing to do
All
with my
right, so we're
client.
gonna show it up. All right. And you have a little bit of pink in there, so that helps everybody.
Huh?
Welcome to the
Oh,
salon.
I feel like them following us, you know.
I'm not even looking over there. How much eye you think I have?
Well, I miss
My two eyes are focused over here, and I don't have any in the back of my head.
What? I
Let me
feel
lose my breath. Let me water.
them see us with our hairstyle,
This
you know.
is so pretty.
And then all of a sudden,
So?
hold this for me, my darling. Don't worry yourself. You know, so when you go to
You need more than one more?
have to help the hairdresser, you know. I hope you know that.
Do you need more than one? Girl, come off of me ribbon. You can't come in the salon and tell me how to comb your hair.
Don't worry yourself.
I will expel you from my
Got
chair.
you.
Understand?
No, but it's what am I do?
You said, wait, so you said that I am watching. Thanks very much, Ari. Good. Let me use my breath. Let me put it under your hair. Let me just get this part first because I don't know if you realize that I'm not really adept at this.
Front.
You're not supposed to say yes, you're supposed to
Yeah.
say you're the best.
Yeah.
Time is of the essence. How much minute on the clock, Chris? Chris is shooting, so Chris can't tell. Can you blow my mind? I want you to sit in the chair and relax. What did you pay me for? Huh?
Bare questions.
And instructions, like, girl, don't make 3 minutes on the clock.
All right. Only don't worry, my darling. I'm going to make sure your edge is laid and slayed. Okay? Yeah.
Big teeth in Italian too. Can you blow my mind? Da 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 da. Oh,
Laid and slayed. All right, so we're doing a little making sure that you look like Rapunzel around the back here. Yeah? Alright, we'll get to the front now because we're actually running out of time.
Oloysius, your hairdresser talks a lot. Is that usually?
You never go hairdresser shop yet, Sim.
Is that usually what happens in your salon?
Of course.
You don't get annoyed, Oloysius.
So, Oli, how was your day, my darling? How did everything go? You had a great week? I hope it's not too tight for you, you know. Yes, girl.
Oh, here hype over there. When we win. When we win. Is who gonna vote, by the way?
When we win. But hurry up, you know, cars.
Oh, one.
She was?
Alicia.
All right, no worry yourself.
Ari, what you laughing at?
All right, Oli, we're on the last lap now. Ready for the front.
You can't laugh off of our ear, no, girl. Even if you feel like our ear flap, you can't laugh. You can't make the people know so you feel that way. You understand?
All right. Front time now.
Give me an arm. Oh, my. This is not supposed to happen. We tie up in your ear. Okay, give me one of this. Give me one of these.
Wait. Father God.
Okay, so pasando over there that you have to be calling on Jesus.
Yeah. Oh, boy. Wait,
This is called Now, Ari. 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 Who said Ari? Who said are we on? We can't laugh at our hairstyle. Now we're gonna do fringes because we have a little excess here.
Oh, you like that?
I never asked you. Did you see what? There, I saw a lot of bird nest looking styles. That's of the innovation, right? So I just want you to. Why is your hair peeking over there?
Simone, what's going on over there? Eh? No.
You notice I'm not looking over on your side of. Yeah, give me. Are you trying to intimate that my mother look like a mother? Yes.
Not.
No, I will lose champs after this because we just spin the roll 2 times. Let me help you here, baby. Why? We're inclusive, we're representing for all schools. Yes, we are.
Give me the.
I don't know.
How much time we have? We're out of time?
Ari, are you going to talk to me after this? We're still friends, right? Make me lose my breath. This hairstyle is breathtaking. It really does make us lose our breath. And it will make... There's water involved because...
It's what you call a winning combination.
Make me sweat.
Talk to me nice.
Come.
We're not finished.
The butterflies symbolize if caterpillars can fly, so can we. It's greatness. It's being able to. Clive, why you put a pencil? I feel like in the interest of creativity, even the tools can become.
Yes, darling.
Wait, we're balanced. All right. Go on now. Walk out, my girl, walk out.
Hold on. You want a little razzle to our.
As if there wasn't enough.
All right. So, my Smile Jammer fam, I'd like to introduce you to the Hampton hero. This hairstyle. The Homewood hero. All right, so Smile Jammer.
Hampton, Homewood.
I would like.
Yeah, you might gone. You was working so hard, you might gone a row.
All right, let's try this again. I would like to introduce you to our Homewood hero hairstyle with a little Rapunzel
Your
glam.
client don't look pleased.
Right? A little Rapunzel glam. Of course, we want to ensure that, it enhances speed and durability of the track. And you have to hold up your head, you have to keep your chin high. And we also have to ensure that when we win, we stand out for the camera.
Anyway, let me tell you what going on over yourself.
All right.
His name Edwin Allen for the win. This is called when you are culturally plugged in, right? Because you could just spin a row. See there? It's also called eco-friendly because you're using all the tools that have been a part of the process to enhance the process, so you're wasting nothing. And the elements of the butterfly symbolize your ability to take off and take on anything and spread your wings. So there you go. I mean,
We have flowers. Our flower indicate that you bloom anywhere you are planted.
your flower look like a dumpling.
Anywhere you are
flower
planted, you
don't-
bloom. Anywho's. I think that's it for our fun stuff. We're gonna have to choose though. I think our viewers gonna have to select one. Come on, guys.
Turn around there, Aaron.
Homewood hero. Get him a spin for me. See, we have to represent for the schools, Yes.
A lot of schools I see have like bird nest styles.
Bye. We'll soon come back. We have to go to a break. We'll soon come.